We are going to show you a C program. We have to write a C program to print an integer entered by the user. Okay, so today we will learn that C program to print an integer entered by the user. For this, in this example, the integer entered by the user is stored in a variable and printed on the screen. So to understand this example, you should have the knowledge of the following C program topics. First is you have to know what is C variables. What is C variables? You have to know right concept of the constants. We will show you, and the literals. Okay, you have to also know about C data types. C data types. You have to also have some knowledge on C input. C input, output. Okay, you have to follow now slash output, input, output. Okay, so we are using this symbol for the comment section. Okay, now we going to start our program to print an integer. Okay, so we start. Let's write with me with your editor. You can use notepad plus plus, or you can use notepad simple note plus. Make sure that you have the GCC editor installed in your computer. You have to install here. You can search in Google GCC editor mean GW command. Okay, it will for Linux you have different, but for Windows you have to GCC editor, GCC software installed. Otherwise you can run with your command prompt. Okay, if you are using dev C++ or other software, it's good, but you have to install that first. It will be beneficial for you. Now no more time, go for the coding. Include stdio.h, stdio.h. Okay, int main, int main, int number, int number. Okay, print enter, and I will describe you what is what. Let me first write the code properly. Print this one. What it's now to reads and stores input, we have to use scanf to read and stores. This include is the library function. Now reads and stores input. Scanf ampersand number. Okay,